This is HSK9, Radio Thailand, World Service, broadcasting from Bangkok for listeners in Asia and the Pacific, the Middle East and Africa, Europe and America. It is now time for our broadcast in English for listeners in the United States West Coast.
Live from the Public Relations Department of the Royal Thai Government, this is Radio Thailand News.
สวัสดีครับ
สวัสดีค่ะ
Today is Wednesday, September 29th, 2021, and this is Radio Thailand's Morning News Hour. With me, Grajang Weekdotcher.
And with me นวรัตน์วงศ์อารยะ
Starting off on National News this morning. The government reports that Tropical Storm Dianmu caused flash floods and forest runoff in 27 provinces from September 23rd to 27th. Meanwhile, the Commerce Minister directs provincial commerce officials to closely inspect product prices during the current flood crisis. On Tech Today, China will this week hold an event to promote self-sufficiency in aerospace and its growing military prowess.
We want to give you the details of this headline and many more.
National News.
In national news, the Ministry of Commerce has directed provincial officials to closely inspect product prices during the ongoing flood situation. Deputy Prime Minister and Commerce Minister Jurin Laksana Visit said related units held a meeting to deal with the recent changes in product prices.